Menopause comes with hot flashes, mood swings, and everything in between, and the Kalm Bracelet promises to ease those symptoms using wearable technology. But the big question is, does it actually work, or is it just another wellness trend with no real science behind it? Let's find out. So, according to its marketing, the Kalm Bracelet is designed to combat menopause symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, mood fluctuations, and stress and irritability. It typically claims to use thermal regulation, magnetic fields, or wearable tech to influence your body's response, and all that without medication. Sounds appealing, but appealing doesn't mean effective. Here's the essential part. Menopause symptoms come from hormonal changes, specifically a drop of estrogen and shifts in other hormones. There are proven clinical treatments like hormone therapy, lifestyle changes, guided exercise, and certain medications that have data showing real relief. On the flip side, wearable braces, magnetic therapy, thermal wraps, there's no strong clinical evidence that these devices directly balance hormones or reliably reduce common menopause symptoms. In short, a bracelet alone is unlikely to provide dramatic, science-backed relief unless it's part of a holistic, medically informed plan. Looking at real user feedback for items like Calm Bracelet, you'll see some users report feeling calmer, more mindful, or less stressed, which could come from placebo, heat cooling effects, or relaxation techniques. Others say they didn't notice any significant change in hot flashes, sleep quality, or mood swings. A few users report it wasn't worth the cost and they saw no noticeable benefit at all. That tells us something important. The experiences vary widely, which is typical when a product doesn't have strong physiological mechanism behind it. Some possible benefits: feeling more mindful or comforted, even just psychologically. A cooling heating element might help temporarily with hot flashes, and comfortable wearable reminder to practice calming techniques. However, some limitations include no solid clinical evidence it treats or regulates hormones, mixed user results, not consistent, and not a substitute for medical guidance or proven therapies. So if you like the bracelet as a comfort tool, that's fine. Just don't expect it to fix menopause symptoms on its own. So does the Calm Bracelet actually help with menopause? Not in the strong clinically proven way the marketing suggests. It may help some users feel more relaxed or provide a cooling effect, but it's not a reliable treatment for hot flashes, mood swings, or hormonal symptoms on its own. The bottom line, think of it as a comfort or wellness accessory, not a menopause cure. If you're struggling with symptoms, speak with a healthcare provider for evidence-based options that target hormonal changes directly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.